Ika, Ma. Come on, Mama. No, just jump. You can do this. Come on. I grab your hand.
You first.
I'm lagging. Come on, Mom. Come on, Mama. Okay, good.
Oh, Toby's coming.
Did you step on the checkpoint, Toby?
Step here on the checkpoint, Toby, on the red.
Did you check
sa red?
checkpoint?
Toby, step ka sa checkpoint dito, Toby, sa red. Come here. Toby, where are you? Come here. Toby, yeah!
Come on, Toby.
Toby, step on the circle! Oh my God. Step on the circle. Go back to the circle. Go back to the circle.
Hindi nag-checkpoint siya.
Toby, go ka sa circle.
Hindi nag-checkpoint siya.
Yan. Ay, wala siya. Bawal siya. Bawal.
Kasi nag-skip siya eh.
Bawal yun?
Hmm.
Step on the circle every time.
Come on. Let's not wait for him.
Bawa siya.
Eh, paano yan? He didn't step on the checkpoint. He won't be seen. Are you blind? Can you see it a little bit?
Okay, let's go.
It's H. Over here. Follow my lead.
Oh, you. Oh no, I can't even see it.
JJ.
Oh, it's J. Yes, JJ.
Over here. Mom.
I can see it.
Over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, no. Yes.
It's far.
It's okay. I'll do it. Okay, I'm not blind. I am cool. Come on. Checkpoint.
You go. Checkpoint. Toby, didn't step. Checkpoint.
I. Stop. Wait for me, Mama. Did you fall? Come on, Mom.
It's a stairs. Toby, I'm here. Press on the circle, Toby. Okay, let's go to the J.
Oh my gosh. Do not step.
Ay, nadad ako.
Because you stepped on it.
Okay, let's not.
I made it.
Ay, nadad ako.
I'll help you.
I want it. It's fun.
Buddy.
Ouch! Nadad si Mom.
Follow my lead. Follow. Oh, I'm cool. I'm so cool. Build them now.
Mommy, come here, Toby, look. Help Toby.
I'll help you.
Toby, let's go sa J.
Yeah. Hang on, I can't do that.
Toby, dito ako sa J.
Oh, my bed. Bed na. Bro, it's going slow.
You go down, Toby, go. Yes, go. I got you. Nadad siya.
Alam ko ito meron.
Help mo si Toby, please.
Oh, Shimo.
Help mo si Toby na.
I got him. Mommy, no! That's the back road. Over here. The stairs. Wait, it
Am I
disappeared.
done? Am I done with the day?
Yeah.
Yay.
Wait for me. It's disappearing. Mommy, better hurry. Mom.
Why is it like this?
I don't know.
I gotta run.
Come on. I will not tell you.
Step on the circle, Toby. On the blue circle, ha?
Where's the circle?
M yun? M? Okay. L. Ako L.
Ako L din.
Hulog. Toby, step on the circle, ha?
Let's go. Vamos.
This is a fun game, ha?
Vamos.
Vamos.
No. Toby, wait for Mama.
Okay.
Wait for Mommy.
Ikaw, are you done?
Yes, I am. Can you see me?
Oh, you help me.
Don't worry, I'll help ya. Cause you're my mother.
Because I'm stupid and jumping, I cannot.
I am so
Jump
nice. Yeah, cause
Toby, step on the circle, ah.
step.
Yay, we're here on the circle.
Why is the M is over there? Mom, come here.
The M is gonna come. Jump!
Jump! Come on, everyone. I'm flying. You should not jump. Oh,
Call si mommy.
me too. Come on.
One more time. Si Toby
Come on.
is across. Toby, step on the circle, ah.
I'm. Oh, mom! Mom! Why do I fall?
Okay, let's wait again. Toby, you step on the circle, ah.
I think he didn't step on it when he's there. Scared. Oh, Toby, fall! Why? I'm falling!
Yeah, I'm here.
Mom, wait!
Okay.
Please, I'm begging.
Toby, come here.
I think Toby quit.
Hindi, is there. Naiwan siya. Toby, come here sa M.
Okay, I'll help you.
No, he can do it. Toby, come here ka sa M.
I don't think he can do it.
Toby, go ka na sa M.
Toby!
Let's go na, Toby. We're waiting for you. Toby, can go.
Gimme.
Oh, yan na. Dali, help him.
Don't worry, I got your back, buddy. Got your back.
Toby, step on the circle. Come on, help him.
I'm
Why did you fall?
Cause it's too hard, cause it's so moving. This ugly M is still moving.
You step on the orange, ha? Para Toby will not fall, ha? Go, yun na.
Why?
Yun na.
Bro, I don't know what's happening.
Ayan, na-fall din siya. Go, yun na. We will wait for you.
I'm falling.
You do it, yun na. We are waiting.
But why am I keep on falling?
Huwag maingay. Tapos you step on the yellow for Toby, ha? Come on.
Please
Yan
don't
ka sa
fall.
gilid, yan ka sa gilid.
Please.
Walk a little. Okay na, I'll try it.
Why?
Mimi, ayaw ni ate. Hindi marunong si tate.
I don't know. But I made it here. Mama, Sita, no.
What's the yes?
Cause when you press this,
Okay. No.
you are gonna restart the lobby. And we're gonna wait Toby again. Mommy, why are you keep on jumping?
Toby, what are you doing?
He keep on jumping. Mommy, you keep on jumping. Where did you let mommy go?
What happened to me?
You just go somewhere.
Toby naman eh.
Don't worry, I'll reset.
No, don't reset.
I just come back here.
Wait for me. Wait for Toby.
Why do you keep on falling like me?
Wait
I'll
lang.
try again.
You try again.
Okay, I can do this.
It's safe.
No.
Ito sa'yo. You want this? Give it to him. Minion? He wants Minion.
Minion. I know that game.
Let's name Minion.
Toby, Minion, let's go. Minion.
I want the M, eh. I want the M.
No, let's go to Minion.
Let's leave.
Yeah. Let's go join Toby. Wait, I know that game.
Is that good?
I know. Yep. Yappy.
Let's go. There's the remote.
I don't know.
Let's go.
Long wait.
I'm Loba.
You good?
Oh, where are you, Toby? Akala ko Minion tayo.
He just
Cellphone siya.
he tricked us. What about play with me?
Guy.
Well, let's play this red green light tower.
Minion daw siya. Ay, Minion dito sa
Try
cellphone.
it.
Minion?
That's Joe.
Ano din tayo? Kaya maglalaro. Maglaro nga tayo.
Charge here.
No. Yes, later. Where are we? What are we gonna play?
Hang on. Can you try this ba? Ito, oh.
What is it? Or just join me. Come on. Oh, let's go. I'll join you.
That is me, okay? Chat. You have the chat?
I have. This is
This is a little bit hard.
okay.
Okay, when we are at wait, I'm gonna tell you something. When
Okay.
when we are at the red light, green light, tapos you see the doll, when it says
Hinaan mo.
red light, when it says red light, you do not move. If it
Red
says
light?
green light, if it says green light, you can move.
Okay, where are we going? I'm gonna
Follow. I know a shortcut. There's a shortcut here.
Hinaan mo nga yan.
Go here. Oh, some more. Over here. Yeah. What the heck? Come on, climb. Stop jumping so you can climb. Stop jumping so you can climb.
Ah, okay.
When you're trying to climb, stop jumping.
Oh, where are we? Where am I?
Over here.
Okay.
At the red light. Mommy, do not go. Wait, baka red light. Look at the door. Oh. Okay, go. Green light. Red light.
I didn't see that. Where's the light?
It's over here. Why are you so blind?
I'm looking for a light. Yun na, tanggalin mo yung sounds. I'm gonna do it. I can climb. I didn't see the red light. Okay,
No,
then let's
Mom.
go.
Mommy, no. Do not move. It's red light. When I say green light, go.
Let's go.
You did. Stop.
Of course, I'm still walking eh.
Ako na. I'll do it. Cause you
I'll do it.
also.
I'll do it. I wanna do it.
No, I'll do it.
Ah, I can play this.
Baka red light. Tingnan mo yung dalo. Wait lang, ako na. I'm still.
Oh, diba?
What? Wait, what? I swear I saw it. I saw the doll is.
It's turning
It's
around.
lagging. It's lagging.
Maybe it's lagging because
Let's leave. I hate this game.
Let's try it.
What
One mo nga yung
na?
electric fan. One mo nga. Let's try the green thing. Let me try the green thing. Green light. I'm gonna... Ay, putik.
Oh,
It's dead.
why? I hate this game. I don't want to
Okay,
play this anymore.
let's leave. Hey. Patayin mo muna yung electric fan. One mo, it's cold na. Ay, nako, nadada ko. Lagi ako nadadend.
Kasi you didn't stop it. When the sound is going to stop, now you should stop.
Ah, okay.
I played that game before. Talaga.
Hey, Yuna, get the remote of the aircon.
I make it to the end.
I made it.
I made it to the end.
Come on, let's go.
Tapos may yung jump rope.
Okay, what are we playing now? Ito,
I
K-pop.
don't know.
K-pop something.
Shit.
Ito, climb 1,000 stairs. What's that?
Um,
Ito, K-pop demo, no? Dapat we watch the movie first.
Nope.
And then we can play this. Ito, Nights in the Forest.
Ito. Oh, that is scary.
Okay, what do you want? Let's play a little scary game. Ito, Mingle.
Nope.
Is that mahirap?
Ayan to. Player to Abby. Gusto
Okay.
mo? Player to Abby. Player.
Ako, yun na.
Wait, I'm still choosing a
Dali na.
game.
Toby, join us. Okay.
Baby. Ito. Carry a baby. Ako yung baby. Ikaw yung carry.
Why?
I'm the baby.
Why would I carry you?
Sige, I'll carry you. Can I?
Okay. It's lagging, no?
Yeah. Wait it. Yes, go. I can't see you.
Carry.
I can't see you, mommy.
Carry a baby.
Oh, I saw you.
Ah, it's 2-player.
Yeah, it's too good. Come on, mom.
Hayaan mo. Oops. Okay, you carry me na.
Come on, follow me.
How can you carry me? Where are we going?
Ako yung parent.
We go here?
No, that is the ito yung baby. I'm carrying you. I'm carrying you. Oh, ang cute naman ka.
Where are you going?
I'm going to do the obby. Put baby here. Wait. What am I gonna do?
Cry.
What am I gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
The baby will tell.
What am I gonna do?
The baby
if you're
will
gonna
teleport
carry me?
you. Hang on.
What am I gonna do if you're just gonna carry me?
Oh no. How
Nothing?
can I go there? How can I go there?
Okay, so put baby here.
How can I go there? Mommy, go that way. Don't go.
How can I go? I'm a baby.
Over there.
Me? Okay. Ooh, the baby went inside.
Mommy, press the button so I can go.
What button?
Over there. Over there, Ma. Oh, over there. So I can go. Press more. Press more. Mommy, I'm here.
Alright.
I know it now.
Okay.
I'll pick you up now.
Okay. Let's go.
Hang on. Ah! Ah! Put baby here na naman. Mommy, go there. Go there. Shower.
In the shower.
Yeah. And press that button.
Is this me?
Yep. Press that button. So I can teleport. I'm over here.
There?
Yep.
I'm gonna go out now.
Yep. Come here, my little baby.
I'm the baby in this game.
This is too hard.
What are you gonna do? Jump?
Yeah.
No, we can't make that.
Hang on. Let me
We can't
just.
make that jump.
Yeah! Oh, Chimo. Ah! Ah! It's wiggling. Yes. Put baby here na naman.
Okay, I'm gonna do it na. What I'm gonna
Press,
do?
press that button over there, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
Mommy, please don't fall.
Do I need to jump?
Yeah. Ah. Press the button. Press the button. Oh! Phew. Here, come here, my little princess. Okay, go in there.
Where?
Go in there, over there. Then press that button.
It's fun here, inside the.
Yeah.
I'm the baby. Are you here?
Come here, my little baby. Don't touch
You're
the
funny.
lasers. Don't touch the lasers.
Oh no, you almost touched the laser, mommy. Oh, put me here, mommy.
Where am I gonna go? Oh, that way,
Oh no,
Mom.
nabisa si baby.
Mommy, are you okay? Are you okay, Mama?
The baby is dead.
Are you okay, baby
Hang on,
girl?
hang on. I think I'm gonna put me here.
Wait, I'm gonna.
Come on, mommy, put me here.
Hang on. Just wait for the elevator.
Okay. When it goes down, I'm gonna go.
Go, 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 mommy, mommy.
I'm here.
I can't go.
Wait lang, maybe I'm gonna push a button.
Yeah, go get a button.
Ah, it fell!
How did you fail, my baby?
Put here.
Why did you fail?
Ay, nag-cry siya. Nag-cry ako. Umay si kuya. Ah, okay. Yes, press.
Come here, my little princess. Where am I? Ah! Huh? Okay.
There's a snowman.
He is trying to attack us. Come on, Mom. Mom, this is look like a maze. Can you do this?
Go. Put me there.
Try to find the exit.
I know.
Mommy, that is easy.
I know. Go. I don't want to see it so that it's mahirap.
Wait for the baby to teleport you. I read it. Decided. You cannot go there. You might fall.
Ah, it's a dead end. Tell me where to go. Check it. Check it on your own.
Why are you crawling like that? Why are you
Crawling backwards.
What? Can a baby do that?
No, it's crawling backwards.
Mom, you are so funny. You are so funny, baby. You're like a dancing
It's a
baby.
scary baby. It's crawling backwards.
Come here, my little baby.
It's a moo
Be
baby.
careful, you might slip.
Oh no, You have to go.
Mom.
The other end of it.
It's okay, it's okay, baby. I won't let you go. What do we do?
You go across.
Hang on. I'm gonna go check. Okay, this one. Okay,
go across.
hang on, I'm checking.
Ouch, my ear hurts.
Okay. Heel didn't fall. Heel. Yes. Oh, okay. Dude, what the heck?
Put me there.
Go, baby. And press the button. Press the button. Wait.
I know.
Press it.
Press.
Come here, my little baby.
Where are we going on this game?
I like this game.
Where are we going?
I like carrying you, so you won't fall. So I am the parent of you.
We fell.
No.
We are dead. Are we back?
I just revived one. I just revived one. Oh, this is too hard. It keeps moving.
Yes, be careful. Dapat you go in the middle.
Let me try.
You go in the middle there, para
No, yes.
Did you get across?
I just turned off the Wi-Fi.
You're madaya.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
I don't know. Just go there. Please don't fall, my baby.
Why is the baby crawling? Can I walk, please?
I don't.
I don't want to crawl. I can walk. It's taking so long, look. It's taking so long to crawl. Oh,
I'm here, my baby.
You're carrying me.
Get in there and press the button.
You press it. Where is it now?
Wait.
I didn't see a button. Where's the button? The red one?
No, you can't press it because I'm red. Press it. Okay. Oh, come here, my little princess.
Oh no, there's a ball. You be careful.
Where?
There's a big ball coming out. Look.
Where? Oh, Shimo.
Oh, you see it?
Let's hide.
Go. Ah, the
Mommy, I'm really.
Go. Nandun si Papa.
I'm hiding, Mom. Where is it?
Go.
Okay, go. Don't be scared. You complete World 1. Teleport to World 2.
You go.
Come on.
Teleport na.
Mommy!
Wow!
Wait lang, Toby's gonna wait.
Labawon! Mommy! I should do the other element. Well, I can just go back to the world. Can I? That's so weird. scared. Between a parent and the baby and navigate through this obstacle course to make it to the end. Nope. Meron kayo vibes ako.
Ay, paano na? Where's the, remote ng aircon? It's really cold. Check here.
Yun.
Remote ng aircon. Tayo, let's find it. Alis ka muna dyan, I'll find it. Alright. Ay, wait lang, wait lang. Alis ka muna. Alis ka dyan.
I'll play it.
Oh, let's go.
Nope. Nope.
Let's go. Last na, kasi sleep na tayo, okay? Akyat na si Papa. It's time to sleep. It's really late.
Eh, baka mapunta tayo sa World War ulit eh. Nandiyan tayo.
Okay, let's go.
Don't worry, I got my list. Mommy, please do not touch it. Yes. Hope you do not die, my baby. Please. Kiss it.
You're ready.
Okay, go.
One more, no?
Yep.
Are you there?
Yep, I'm here. Come on, my princess. What is this? You're very alone. See, it's too easy. It's too easy. Put baby here na naman. The elevator is over there. It's over here. Over here, Mom. Come on, my baby. Go on, my baby. When you fall, I got you. Where? Please do not fall, baby. Mommy, please do not touch the
Tomorrow we play. Diba, no? Diba na tayo? We have to sleep. Tomorrow na. Where's the button? Did we save it?
Hang on. Oh, what happened? Yeah, it. Mommy, press the button so I can move.
Uy,
I pressed it already.
Press it on it.
Oh,
It will move.
where are you?
Over here. My baby. Come here. My
may
princess.
talaga na.
Wait lang, hindi pa kasi hindi pa kami
Shall
nakaka-play
mommy?
Nasaan
Come
si
here,
Toby?
my baby.
Ha?
Sali?
Kanina kasali, tapos ang gulo-gulo. Ang gulo-gulo talaga.
Ang ginagawa.
Pero alam niyang nandun kami tatlo.
The fall!
Okay, sleep na tayo.
I just revive.
Malulubat na ako, sayang yung revive mo.
Okay lang. What? Am I back here?
Naglaro kami ng alphabet lore games. Ha?
Sige,
Alam mo yun? Ha?
Sige, bukas
Okay. Tomorrow naman kasi we're gonna
Kasi robot ko na.
robot na eh. Charge it and then tomorrow we play, okay?